Welcome to our comprehensive guide on fixing common flight simulator issues on PS5 in 2025. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a newcomer to the skies, we've got you covered. First, let's identify technical glitches and performance problems. These can range from frame drops to freezing gameplay. Recognizing what you're facing is the first step to resolution. Next, we'll tackle control and configuration issues. Ensure that your controller settings are correctly mapped for a smooth flying experience. Network errors can disrupt your online gameplay. Let's go over some solutions to enhance connectivity and reduce lag. Adjusting graphics settings can significantly improve performance. We'll show you the best settings for a smooth gaming experience. If issues persist, try clearing the cache or reinstalling the game. This often fixes lingering problems caused by corrupted data. Using external accessories can enhance your flight simulation experience. We'll discuss compatibility and the best accessories to use. Keep your PS5 and flight simulator updated with the latest patches to avoid compatibility issues and glitches. Don't underestimate the power of community. Explore forums where fellow players share solutions to similar issues. In conclusion, these tips should help you fix common flight simulator issues on PS5 for a smoother gameplay experience. Happy flying! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming guides.